Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your PayPal account in free. Yes, you don't need to verify your phone number also. You just need to verify your that Gmail. That's only you can make your PayPal account. You can send money to international countries and receive money from your international countries. And guys, I have received this $2.57 from international company, and I have just, you can see here my views transaction is there. I have just requested them to send $3 and I got $2.57 because the fee charges it's for 0.43. You can see my statement also here. This is my account which is just verified from my Gmail. You can see here this is my Gmail. Only through my Gmail this account has been verified and I just made this account. Guys, you can also just make this account by going to the link in my description box. I will give you the link. You just click on that link and you can just open that page. I will just make ready that link once. Wait. Hello guys, and that I'm back. I will be giving this link to you. From this link only you can just go and make free account in PayPal without verification of your number. I'm showing you the process. Let's go proceed to it. You can click business account. Guys, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, whoever is worried about just making PayPal account. Just business account, you just click on it, click on next. Little bit slow, my network is slow. No, just private. I'm keeping my Gmail, okay? I'll just verify through my Gmail only. Continue. Now password. Keep whatever you like. But do remember the password, it is so important for you guys. Now first name, legal first, business first name, last name and business phone number. We have to just write the business first name. You can write your own name. This last. Now business name. I just took information technology, okay? Now I'll just write this number will not be verified, don't worry about that. Just I will write Kathmandu, Nepal, okay? Just this. And state I will keep anything. Just California, okay? Guys, it is not the fake purpose. You can just you can just link your bank account or other thing after else you can just collaborate with this PayPal. For now, if you want to receive money, get money or send money for a temporary purpose, you can make like this. And after that, you can make your permanent also. Just go and agree and create account. Okay. I think half of the portion has been completed. Business type, yeah, business type only. Individual, yeah, individual. We have to write set. No, I will just use business type only. What happened to business type now? Individual service keyword. Okay, monthly sale up to 4,999. Your account offers PayPal Business Debit Mastercard automatically receive no annual fee. PayPal Business Debit Mastercard after receival total in your payments. This card offers 1% cashback. This all. I think haven't give much more time to this. Product service keyword. I'll write SCC. Okay, I have to choose from here. Discount stores, then continue. SSN number. Now SSN number, you just write whatever you like. Phone number, any phone number. I just write 1234. And date of birth, you have to keep as it is, as July. And okay, everything is correct. Now submit. Guys, hope you understand this video. After else, you can just make it as permanent purpose. And what are you just not selling yet? Other. Just click on others and next. Guys, if you want free PayPal account, then you have to go through this. Otherwise, there is no any other option to send or receive money. Now, click me on your website or click the link. You can request money. Yeah, this is the better one. Okay, just click on this. Start setup. Start setup. Now, guys, my work is done. Now I just have to wait my for dashboard, the home page of my PayPal account. Now you can see here the same interface you can see here, guys. And if you want to update something more, the real proof, then you can just go and profile setting, account setting, you can just keep over there. The same things are available here. You can send and receive money and keep inside the wallet also. You don't need to just you don't need to link your bank right now. You can use like your wallet also. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you liked my video. My work has been live proof in front of you all. You can see over the live only. And guys, please share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.